night for a picnic. Winnie the Pooh, possibly the most vindicative chapter in Nelson Mandela's autobiography.